Hi, Jay and Al Lynch for BuyTheOkanagan.com. In my previous video, some of you expressed appreciation for some of the hot rods, classics, and antique cars that I showed. Well, today, it's the weekend. They should be out here in the Okanagan in big numbers, flying around and just waiting for you to view them. So I'm going to see if I can find the Motherlode of these cars today. Come on along. Well, folks, I'm here, followed the trail of the cars all the way north from Oliver. I'm here at Skaha Lake. I still haven't found that Motherlode of classic cars. Look down the beach this way. And I've looked down the beach this way. And they're not in the park. So, you know, I guess I'm going to have to go to Lake Okanagan. I hear car motors. I hear cars moving back and forth and piled up at the parking lots. I think I might have found the Motherlode. Let's go in and have a look. Come on. Hey, there's a 69 Pontiac GTO. Wowee. What have we here? Ooh, a T-Bird with the porthole windows. Sweet Georgia Brown, a 59 Lincoln. Yes, convertible. Here's another white boat. 76 Cat. Le Mans Sports. Ooh, what have we here? 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible in canary yellow. And there's the equivalent of it with a hard top. There's something a little bit newer if you like a small little pickup truck. Ooh, look at this black beauty. A GTO. Shades of the Beach Boys. Here's a Woody. All ready to go to the beach and do some surfing. Ooh, a nice little Mustang. 67 Ford Mustang Fastback. Who can forget the old Beetle? It only got better, folks. This is a 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Who's old enough to remember Studebaker? And a 66 Chevy Nova. Not to be undone, Chrysler had to come up with its own Plymouth Woody to keep up with the surfing crowd in California. Ford started it all rolling though, way back when, with this Woody. What about the Dart Swinger? Do you remember that one? Or old Henry Ford would turn over in his grave a 1931 Ford Coupe. But it sure didn't look like that back in 1931, did it, Henry? (1953) Ford convertible Sunliner, customized to the nines. Did I miss something? Wowee. 1972 Ford Mustang Fastback. The 351 Ram Air. The 50s had it all, didn't they, folks? That's when the rock and roll got started. Jimmy Rogers, Sweeter Than Wine. Well, this little sweetheart was sweeter than wine too. In the mid-50s, built by Ford. This little 58 convertible. Remember American Graphite? 1928 Ford. Truck. 1924 Hot Rod Coupe by our friend Henry Ford again. 35 horsepower of muscle. And it went for exactly 1 year's average wage for a wage earner at the time. $1,400. I hate to date myself, but I had one of these 1955 Chev pickup trucks. I had it back then too. Chevrolet, not to be outdone. They came out with their Corvette, and what a beauty car. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's probably about a 56, 57, or maybe even a 58. Anybody heard of the Nash Rambler? Well, this is their answer to the station wagon back in 1950 and 70. This would be the two-door with the back seat. I'll just give you a side view here. How's that? Ooh, 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Standard stick V8. Now this is some countries' transportation. Shades of Rebel Without a Cause. 1949 Merc, all chopped and channeled. What's this old fella? Looks like an old Dodge, 36 or 37. 1947 Ford.
Are you from here?
Yep.
Where's the liquor store?
Lowered, and she's a beauty. Well, I'm sitting here with my little summer toy, my 1988 BMW convertible, and I found you a few cars. Well, here's J&L's little beauty, a little 1988 BMW convertible, and this is what we roar around in. Well, at least during the summer months anyways. Winter she gets packed up and put away. But they tell me there'll be more added to the Motherlode all weekend because the weather's perfect and people are coming into town. So, bye for now.